How to play multiplayer in Super Bear Adventure. First, open the game and enter the main map. Once you're in the main area, you'll see a small screen that looks like a TV or computer on the side. Go near that screen and stand in front of it. Now press the B button and you'll get two options: Join Party and Create New Party. Tap on Create New Party and it will start connecting to the server. Once connected, it will create a party and give you an invite code. Now take your second device. Just like before, go near that same screen and press the B button. This time, tap on Join Party and it will ask for the invite code. Enter the same code that you got on your first device. And as soon as you enter it, it will connect to the server and both players will join the same party. Now on both devices, switch your status to Ready. Once both players are ready, the game will show a short countdown, and after that, the multiplayer session will start. That's it. You can now play together on both devices.